Steal these ideas from IKEA. Hey sweeties, I'm about to do some errands. I'm gonna run into IKEA and I thought I would take you with me. So come on inside with me, but first please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell, and now let's go on and get inside IKEA. Now I'm still masking up in public places indoors, so I hope you can hear me okay. I'm really focusing on kitchen stuff, you know that I am, but I'm going to browse through the store and let's see what they got. Some great patio decor ideas. I love how they have these plants hanging over the table. Hang plants over your dining table for a fun tropical vibe, indoors or outdoors. I think it's super cute. It's something I might incorporate into my own patio. When that sand runs out, dinner is over, honey. That's cute. This is such a great idea to style a small kitchen space, galley style. Base cabinet drawers instead of shelves really saves your back. Look, they even have the drawer styled. Oops. Love it. Look at that. This little organizer to hold your baking trays. That's a great idea. Under the sink storage for your recycling and a little trash. Oh, those are locked. Oh, that says look inside. Oh, here we go. Oh, nice. Let me back up so you can see it. A nice, tall, slender, sort of pull-out pantry right next to your refrigerator. So you have some fixed shelves and then some drawers. Really nice. Great place setting ideas to mix and match your bowls and plates. A little more gray beige and a dark graphite gray layered together. That's really pretty. And they've incorporated storage into the island. This side of the island is great for storage if you don't need the space for seating. That could be a fun idea. And again, more drawers for storage. Love it. And look, they even got a drawer within a drawer for your spice racks. This is a nice idea. This little curved space to put your spices. Lovely. A little corner vignette with your mortar and pestle to freshly grind those spices. And another storage idea, add a shelf inside your cabinet to stack your glasses so you can use that space that would be wasted otherwise. I love this sort of bar setup. Add a wine glass rack to a bookcase for a DIY bar. Use doors to cover some of the clutter and leave some of the shelves open to display your glassware. And you can even put rope lighting to illuminate that whole situation. Those are nice whiskey glasses too. I like these. Rocks glasses. Yes, looks like IKEA really did go all in with the cabinet drawers. Oh, here's some of the base cabinet. Oh, no, that's actually a deep drawer like this with large storage bins can hold bulk items like flour or rice. Now, what do you think about that style of kitchen? I really like the mix of cabinets with the white on the island and the walnut. So far, this gray kitchen is my favorite. I even love these pendants hanging over the island. Now this island, you're not going to be able to sit and dine so much here because there's no overhang, but I love the look of this. Maybe not as functional if you really eat. Like my family really eats at the island, so this wouldn't do well for us, but I love the way it looks. That style is nice. That's really nice. Yeah, I'm digging this. Y'all know how I feel about a porcelain sink. It is pretty though. And this looks like a quartz countertop. One thing I also love is the mix of your regular closed cabinets and this sort of glass display area. The only problem is that when you get to cooking, that glass can get really difficult to keep clean. It is far away from the stove, so the stove is way over there. So you won't have to worry too much. So this kind of solves that problem of, say, open shelving, so you can display your pretty Pyrex and dishes without it getting dusty and greasy. Now this is a very nice display of a small kitchen with an eat-in area. Now this is a more modern kitchen. Adding freestanding shelving can be a less expensive storage solution than building in cabinetry. You can also have prep space included in that. Does anybody else go to IKEA to play in all the kitchens? It's not just me, right? No, it's not just me. Painting the walls a bold color can add visual interest without the commitment of colored cabinetry. These gray-green cabinets are beautiful, but you might get tired of them after a while. And changing the color, painting these cabinets is never as easy as it sounds. Okay, but isn't this doggy station the cutest and made out of a small cabinet? Come by this area if you want to choose your countertops. You can have your butcher block, your quartz, your cabinet doors, tons of different finishes and door fronts. You can even get your appliances if you want. Light up those glass front cabinets for extra drama and show off what you have to put on display. It's time for me to head down into the marketplace, leave this gorgeous kitchen set up, and go get some shopping done. Let's go. Maybe we stop for lunch. It's not crowded, so I think I can find a nice secluded spot to myself. salads look really good. Salmon, potato salad, that. A little shrimp salad there. And this is my old apartment. That's right. I used to work here. If you're a plant parent like me, then you know plant pots can get expensive. So check out these trash cans, plastic trash cans for $1.99. You can easily put a hole in the bottom and plant directly into them. We're going to browse through the plant section and then make our way on out. I did not buy anything today. There was nothing really pressing that I really needed, and the line was kind of long, so I decided that if I didn't need it, I'm not going to get it. But I do still love IKEA. Well, sweeties, I'm all done. I am IKEA'd out. But I didn't end up getting anything. The only thing I really would have purchased were the kitchen towels, the dish towels, but I was not going to wait online just to buy towels. And I didn't really need them. I have some at home, but you know, it's always nice to stock up on stuff like kitchen towels, but not this time, not this time. But I had a lovely stroll around. I got my steps in for sure and had a nice salad for lunch. So I think all in all, that was a win. Please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell, and y'all have a delicious day. Bye from IKEA.